I was hearing somebody talk about the lipo and just that, on the evolutionary scale, the creation of the world, and that process is the same, right? It's this darkness, this ambiguity, and then each form is articulated. And it just was resonating with the way that, ideas come to you unformed, or an inspiration or a feeling as a source, and it's very vague, and then you, through the process of working with it, you're defining it. I think many of you are getting to the final stages of wrapping the dark wool. These days I describe myself as a fiber artist. I find that I'm really drawn to textures and processes that are more involved. So I feel like to have successful artistic expression, you really need to understand your material. And there's so much that I don't understand about fibers yet. So then you don't have to worry about putting it on your hands. I teach black and white drawing, and I think that that's also just in getting students to understand, to think about the relationship between not black and white, but rather light and darkness, that in darkness there is no distinction between anything. It's all unified and unclear, and then as light comes, things are actually more static and defined. And there's something very appealing to me about the darkness, the unknown. The form that this workshop has taken has been in the form of these kind of seed egg shapes that are just represent potential. So my hope is that the individual felted pieces that people created today will be incorporated into my piece for the biennial, and each will then have the individual artistic expression of the creator in it, but part of this collective piece, which hopefully they could then also share with others. Other people could take something away from the piece as well.